Flinders Street. Now you guys got this Myki card. You come here and you scan normally like this. Then you come through the gates, and then now we have to find which gate to go on. So we look up there on the one, and then which one to catch. Okay, field. I think it's this one, son. Uphill. Make sure you get the right one along, and this one is the train to uphill. We are leaving.
Field. Stopping all stations direct to Upfield. We are arriving at the Southern Cross train station. Southern Cross. Southern Cross train station. Southern Cross and okay, thank you. I'm gonna do one video on this one. So when you arrive at whatever destination that you have to go to, for us it's the Royal Park station. You come down, you make sure you scan with your card, okay? So the system registered that you came down on this train station, and then it charges your card.
Take a picture of me.
So we're at the Royal Park station, Royal Park Zoo station, and we're about to go to the Royal Park, which is down this way. Okay, so let's go. The Royal Park must be down this way. Come. This way, son, come. Okay. Park station. I think it's down this way. It helps to have these signs here because they say we're in the right direction. Zoo main entry. So we continue straight ahead. The wall. Okay, if we came down this way, we would continue following the wall like he said, and we'll arrive at the main entrance of the zoo. So now we're coming towards the main entrance of the zoo.
We're at the Melbourne Zoo. Okay, this is the way that we will be walking through when we're catching the train. You come by car, you'll come out this way. And we are at the Melbourne Zoo. Let's check it out. Okay, we'll go there to pay. And then we'll go in. We just paid outside. Now we are going into the Melbourne Zoo. And welcome to the Melbourne Zoo. Okay, let's see what we can see here. Available at 1:30. That's elephant, lemur experience, the trees. Okay. So we'll go and visit the Melbourne Zoo. What's down there? What's the name? The water looks a bit dirty, but
of course it looks dirty, it's the jungle. It's not really clean. Why do you drink that stuff? Is that the reason?
yeah, it's a real one.
Just like reflection gold. Oh.
I know. Can you guys see there's a gorilla there? There. Ah ouais. Hey, mais regarde-moi ça. Look at that, that's huge, man. That's so nice. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh man, I love the lemurs here. You see, there's a gorilla up there. Oh, it's behind the tree, you guys can't see it.
Of course, there's
See the hippopotamus right there. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Down there. Where are you, hippo? It's got a lot of beautiful walkways here in the Melbourne Zoo. It's very cool and refreshing. It's about 12 o'clock, but with all these trees, it's very cool. I love it. Look at all these little monkeys down there. Black-handed. That's the black-handed spider monkey. Little bad boy down there. Elephant zone here. Here at the elephant barn. There's some elephants out there.
Anche se dobbiamo stare qua fino a che chiudono alle 5, quello che vuoi fare fariamo, non ti preoccupare. Guarda come sì. Passeggia con la mamma. No, come questa prende la sabbia e se la butta di sopra e poi si pulisce con il naso, si pulisce la faccia. Hanno prodotto